तुम कब आओगे? When will you come? When will you come? मुझे बताओ। Tell me. Tell me. ये मत कहो। Don't say this. Don't say this. मुझे देखो। Look at me. Look at me. इसे समझो। Understand this. Understand this. मुझे जवाब दो। Answer me. Answer me. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? इसे रोको। Stop this. Stop this. यहाँ आओ। Come here. Come here. तुम ये क्यों कर रहे हो? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? मुझे यकीन है। I am sure. I am sure. तुम चले जाओ। You go away. You go away. मुझे छोड़ दो। Leave me. Leave me. ये बहुत अच्छा है। This is very good. This is very good. मुझे ये पसंद है। I like this. I like this. इसे खत्म करो। Finish this. Finish this. तुम्हारा क्या हाल है? How are you? How are you? तुम क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand? Why don't you understand? मुझे चिंता है। I am worried. I am worried. तुम इधर आओ। You come here. You come here. इसे बदलो। Change this. Change this. मुझे बताओ क्या हुआ? Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. इसे भूल जाओ। Forget this. Forget this. तुम गलत हो। You are wrong. You are wrong. मुझे सच बताओ। Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. ये मुझे दो। Give this to me. Give this to me. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. इसे सुनो. Listen to this. Listen to this. तुम्हें समझना होगा. I have to understand. I have to understand. इसे आजमाओ. Try this. Try this. तुम यहाँ क्यों हो? Why are you here? Why are you here? मुझे डर लग रहा है. I am scared. I am scared. इसे ले जाओ. Take this away. Take this away. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? मुझे समझाओ. Explain to me. Explain to me. तुम्हें देखकर अच्छा लगा. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. इसे मत छोड़ो. Don't leave this. Don't leave this. मुझे तुम्हारी जरूरत है. I need you. I need you. तुम्हारी मदद की जरूरत है. Your help is needed. Your help is needed. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. तुम्हारी बात मान लेंगे. Will consider your point. Will consider your point. ये करना जरूरी है. This needs to be done. This needs to be done. इसे खोलो. Open this. Open this. तुम यहीं रुको. You stay here. You stay here. इसे बाहर निकालो. Take this out. Take this out. तुम मुझे सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? मुझे इसकी आदत है. I am used to this. I am used to this. तुम इसे कर सकते हो. You can do this. You can do this. मुझे विश्वास करो. Trust me. Trust me. इसे मत भूलना. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. तुम ठीक तो हो? Are you all right? Are you all right? मुझे सब पता है. I know everything. I know everything. तुम इसे ले लो. You take this. You take this. मुझे माफ कर दो. Forgive me. Forgive me. तुम्हें वहां नहीं जाना चाहिए. You shouldn't go there. You shouldn't go there. ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. This is very important. This is very important. मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए. I need your help. I need your help. इसे मत तोड़ो. Don't break this. Don't break this. तुम यहां से जाओ. You leave from here. You leave from here. मुझे ये कहना ही होगा. I have to say this. I have to say this. तुम जल्दी करो. You hurry up. You hurry up. इसे ध्यान से करो. Do this carefully. Do this carefully. मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए. I don't want this. I don't want this. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? How are you? इसे देख लो. Check this out. Check this out. तुम मेरी बात मानो. You listen to me. You listen to me. ये गलत है. This is wrong. This is wrong. मुझे याद दिलाना. Remind me. Remind me. तुम्हारा धन्यवाद. Thank you. Thank you. इसे वापस कर दो. Return this. Return this. तुम्हारे बिना नहीं चलेगा. It won't work without you. It won't work without you. मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. इसे बंद करो. Close this. Close this. तुम यहाँ कैसे आए? How did you come here? How did you come here? मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है. I need this. I need this. तुम मत जाओ. You don't go. You don't go. इसे साफ करो. Clean this. Clean this. मुझे सब समझ में आ गया है. I have understood everything. I have understood everything. तुम इसे नहीं देख सकते. Can't you see this? Can't you see this? मुझे थोड़ा समय चाहिए. I need some time. I need some time. तुम यहाँ रुक सकते हो. Can you stay here? Can you stay here? तुम्हारी याद आती है. I miss you. I miss you. मुझे आशा है. I hope. I hope. तुम इसे संभाल सकते हो. You can handle this. You can handle this. इसे फिर से करो. Do it again. Do it again. तुम इधर मत देखो. Don't look here. Don't look here. मुझे ये चाहिए था. I needed this. I needed this. तुम कुछ खाओगे? Will you eat something? Will you eat something? इसे मत खो. Don't lose this. Don't lose this. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे तुम्हारी बात समझ में आई. I understood your point. I understood your point. इसे मत छूना. Don't touch this. Don't touch this. तुम ये कर सकते हो. You can do this. You can do this. मुझे इसका इंतज़ार था. I was waiting for this. I was waiting for this. तुम कुछ कहना चाहते हो? Do you want to say something? Do you want to say something? ये सब मेरे लिए नया है. All this is new to me. All this is new to me. तुम मुझसे नाराज हो? Are you mad at me? Are you mad at me? मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. इसे पकड़ो. Hold this. Hold this. तुम ये क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking this? Why are you asking this? मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है. I trust you. I trust you. इसे लिख डालो. Write this down. Write this down. तुम मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you joking? Are you joking? इसे गंभीरता से ले. Take this seriously. Take this seriously. मुझे शक है. I have a doubt. I have a doubt. तुम इसे भेज दो. You send this. You send this. इसे मत खो देना. Don't lose this. Don't lose this. तुम्हारा क्या इरादा है? What do you intend? What do you intend? मुझे ये सुनकर अच्छा लगा. I am glad to hear this. I am glad to hear this. तुम यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? मुझे ये नहीं करना. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. तुम इसे पढ़ो. You read this. You read this. ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very urgent. This is very urgent. मुझे इस पर गर्व है. I am proud of this. I am proud of this. तुम यहाँ मत बैठो. Don't sit here. Don't sit here. इसे मत खरीदो. Don't buy this. Don't buy this. तुम क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? What do you think? मुझे इस पर विश्वास है. I believe in this. I believe in this. तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए. You should do this. You should do this. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. तुम मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. इसे फेंक दो. Throw this away. Throw this away. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. I have something to say to you. I have something to say to you. तुम इसे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand this? Why don't you understand this? इसे मत छिपाओ. Don't hide this. Don't hide this. मुझे तुमसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी. I did not expect this from you. I did not expect this from you. तुम्हारी क्या राय है? What is your opinion? What is your opinion? इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए? Why did you come here? Why did you come here? मुझे ये ठीक लगा है. This seems fine to me. This seems fine to me. तुम इसे अच्छे से करो. Do this well. Do this well. ये तुम्हारे लिए है. This is for you. This is for you. मुझे इससे प्यार है. I love this. I love this. तुम इसे मत बदलो. Don't change this. Don't change this. ये कैसे होगा? How will this happen? How will this happen? तुम ये करने में सक्षम हो. You are capable of doing this. You are capable of doing this. इसे संभाल के रखना. Keep this carefully. Keep this carefully. तुम इसे क्यों नहीं ट्राई करते? Why don't you try this? Why don't you try this? मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत है. I need you. I need you. ये मुझे मत दिखाओ. Don't show this to me. Don't show this to me. तुम्हारा क्या ख्याल है? What do you think? What do you think? इसे छोड़ दो. Let it go. Let it go. तुम इसे कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this? How can you do this? मुझे ये समझने में समय लगेगा. It will take me time to understand this. It will take me time to understand this. तुम इसे कब करोगे? When will you do this? When will you do this? इसे यहीं छोड़ दो. इसे अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. धीरे बोलो. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. मुझे ये चाहिए. I need this. I need this. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. नहीं मत करो. No, don't do it. No, don't do it. बहुत शोर है. Too noisy. Too noisy. क्या बात है? What's the matter? What's the matter? यहाँ मत आओ. Don't come here. Don't come here. समय नहीं है. No time. No time. तेज चलो. Walk fast. Walk fast. यहीं रुको. Stop here. Stop here. अच्छा हुआ. Well done. Well done. वापिस आओ. Come back. Come back. मुझे मत भूलो. Don't forget me. Don't forget me. जोर से मत हंसो. Don't laugh loud. Don't laugh loud. खाना खत्म करो. Finish the food. Finish the food. अभी नहीं. Not now. Not now. बाहर निकलो. Get out. Get out. इसे पकड़ो. Hold this. Hold this. मत जाओ. Don't go. Don't go. शांत रहो. Stay calm. Stay calm. वो कौन था? Who was that? Who was that? अंदर आओ. Come inside. Come inside. इसे देखो. Look at this. Look at this. अब बस करो. Stop now. Stop now. मुझे पता है. I know. I know. ये ठीक है. It's okay. It's okay. तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? सावधान रहो। बी केयरफुल। बी केयरफुल। मुझे बुलाओ। कॉल मी। कॉल मी। चलो जल्दी करो। लेट्स हरी। लेट्स हरी। कितना समय? हाउ मच टाइम? हाउ मच टाइम? ये काफी है। इट्स इनफ। इट्स इनफ। वो चला गया। ही लेफ्ट। ही लेफ्ट। बस ऐसे ही। जस्ट लाइक दैट। जस्ट लाइक दैट। मुझे समझाओ। एक्सप्लेन टू मी। एक्सप्लेन टू मी। अब नहीं बोलो। डोंट स्पीक नाउ। डोंट स्पीक नाउ। बहुत गर्म है। वेरी हॉट। वेरी हॉट। ठंडा पानी दो। गिव कोल्ड वाटर। गिव कोल्ड वाटर। कुछ खाओ। ईट समथिंग। ईट समथिंग। बात मत करो। डोंट टॉक। डोंट टॉक। इंतजार करो। वेट। वेट। ये काम करता है? डज दिस वर्क? डज दिस वर्क? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? व्हाट्स योर नेम? व्हाट्स योर नेम? फोन करो। मेक अ कॉल। मेक अ कॉल। मेरा इंतजार करो। वेट फॉर मी। वेट फॉर मी। सीट बेल्ट बांधो। फासन सीट बेल्ट। फासन सीट बेल्ट। ये मेरा है। दिस इज माइन। दिस इज माइन। बहुत देर हो गई। इट्स टू लेट। इट्स टू लेट। सब ठीक है। ऑल इज वेल। ऑल इज वेल। खुद से करो। डू इट योर सेल्फ। डू इट योर सेल्फ। मुझे जाना है। आई मस्ट गो। आई मस्ट गो। ये मत लो। डोंट टेक दिस। डोंट टेक दिस। मदद करो। हेल्प। हेल्प। ये कहाँ है? वेयर इज दिस? वेयर इज दिस? चुप रहो। बी क्वाइट। बी क्वाइट। अच्छा काम किया। गुड जॉब। गुड जॉब। और लाओ। ब्रिंग मोर। ब्रिंग मोर। तेजी से चलो। वॉक फास्टर। वॉक फास्टर। जल्दी करना। बी क्विक। बी क्विक। समझ गए? Understood? Understood? उसे मत छुओ. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. अच्छी बात है. That's good. That's good. यहाँ मत बैठो. Don't sit here. Don't sit here. उठो. Get up. Get up. ध्यान दो. Pay attention. Pay attention. ये बहुत है. This is much. This is much. सही बात है. That's right. That's right. खाना गरम करो. Heat the food. Heat the food. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. मुझे याद है. I remember. I remember. सो जाओ. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. बंद कर दो. Shut it down. Shut it down. यहाँ खड़े हो. Stand here. Stand here. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? साफ करो. Clean it. Clean it. इसे ले लो. Take it. Take it. छोड़ दो ये. Drop it. Drop it. ठीक है चलो. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. मजा आया. Had fun. Had fun. चुप रहो. Stay silent. Stay silent. कितना समय? How long? How long? मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. चलते हैं. Let's move. Let's move. बहुत दूर है. Too far. Too far. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. ये लो. Here you go. Here you go. बात मत करो. No talking. No talking. सच में? Really? Really? मुझे दर्द हो रहा है. I'm hurting. I'm hurting. ठीक है रुको. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. आगे बढ़ो. Move forward. Move forward. तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? आराम करो. Rest. Rest. उसे बुलाओ. Call him. Call him. ध्यान से. Be careful. Be careful. दूर हटो. Move away. Move away. अच्छा लगा. Did you like? Did you like? खत्म करो. Finish it. Finish it. जल्दी खाओ. Eat quickly. Eat quickly. इधर आओ. Come here. Come here. मत रुको. Don't stop. Don't stop. देखते जाओ. Keep looking. Keep looking. खत्म हो गया. It's over. It's over. मत खेलो. Don't play. Don't play. बस बहुत हुआ. Enough already. Enough already. चलो चलें. Let's leave. Let's leave. खुला है. It's open. It's open. बंद करो. Close it. Close it. कॉल करो. Make a call. Make a call. ये लो. Take this. Take this. मुझे बताओ. Tell me. Tell me. ठंडा है. It's cold. It's cold. गरम है. It's hot. It's hot. सुनो तो. Listen. Listen. मेरा साथ दो. Support me. Support me. आजा यहाँ. Come over here. Come over here. रुक जाओ. Stop. Stop. मजा आ रहा. Having fun. Having fun. डरो मत. Don't fear. Don't fear. सावधान रहो. Be cautious. Be cautious. बढ़िया है. It's great. It's great. उठाओ इसे. Pick it up. Pick it up. यही ठीक है. This is fine. This is fine. कुछ नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. वहां मत जाओ. Don't go there. Don't go there. नीचे देखो. Look down. Look down. मुझे फॉलो करो. Follow me. Follow me. शोर मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. सब खत्म हुआ. Everything's over. Everything's over. इंतज़ार करो. Just wait. Just wait. ये सही है. This is correct. This is correct. गलत है. It's wrong. It's wrong. उधर नहीं. Not there. Not there. अभी करो. Do it now. Do it now. समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. अभी नहीं. Not now. Not now. देर हो रही है. It's getting late. It's getting late. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. ये खतरनाक है. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. सीट पर बैठो. Sit on the seat. Sit on the seat. मुझे सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. बोर मत करो. Don't bore me. Don't bore me. ये काफी है. It's enough. It's enough. मुझे आराम दो. Give me peace. Give me peace. बड़ा आदमी हो. Be mature. Be mature. कहाँ हो तुम? Where are you? Where are you? साथ चलो. Come along. Come along.
सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आज की वीडियो में इतना ही. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करके चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस चैनल पर आपको आगे भी ऐसी इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलती रहेंगी. सो अब हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए सेंटेंसेस के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर. बाय बाय. कीप लर्निंग.